The next assignment is going to be copying a folder from my Dropbox to your Dropbox. Okay? So right now the link is grayed out, but it will open for you once you receive a passing grade for the previous experiment. Or not experiment, but previous assignment, which is iPad applications. So basically, we're going to make sure that you've signed up for Dropbox. So make sure that you've done that. You've downloaded the iPad application to your iPad. You probably already have it. I'm not sure. Now sign into your Dropbox on your iPad if you've not already done that. We want to copy the folder from my Dropbox account to your Dropbox account. All you have to do is select on this link. You're going to rename the folder physics, your last name, and your first name. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on that link. And you're going to see this link. It says physics, last name, first name. I can select in these folders. There's some document organization. All of these folders are empty. Okay. And so this was the first, this is 0 preliminary assignments. We'll put one link in there, and that's going to be for this one. But you can look in unit circle. This is experiment number 1. There's nothing there. Extending trigonometry, there's nothing there. What you're going to do is you're going to put whatever is associated with the experiment that you're working on, you're going to put that into this folder, into the appropriate folders. So you'll see that we have, we'll have something all the way out to the laws of, or the law of refraction. So how do you do this? Well, there is a link on the side here, and let me see. Oh, I don't see it, but when it pops up on yours, it's going to either go to Dropbox or to a browser. If it goes to the browser, what you want to do is you want to copy this over to your folder. If it goes to the application on your iPad, there are 3 dots in the pop-up window. Go there and then just copy this folder structure. Once you do that, you want to change your name. And so let me see if I can copy this folder structure. If I can copy it to my own. Nope, nope. So I'll have to go back. And the way I'll have to copy it is like this. So this is the folder that I was in. It's version 2, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So I'll have to just say copy. And once I copy it, I can just paste it in here. It may or may not like it. Oh, it's doing it for me. So I have a version 2-1. I'm just going to rename this. So you guys need to rename this as well. So let me see. It says folder settings. This is how you rename it. And you'll see that I have this title here. So it's going to be physics. For me, it's going to be brass Eric. And I'm just going to call this term 2. See, for me, I'm putting all of this because I have I run classes like this all the time. So you can put term 2 if you like to. But I'm just going to go ahead and say rename this folder. So everything that we do in this class, when it comes to saving documentation, whether it's videos, Excel spreadsheets, pictures, documents, we're going to put it into our personal folder here. Cool beans? Okay. So let's go ahead, and what I want to do is I want to take a snapshot of this folder structure by just holding down the power button and depressing the home button over here. And I'm going to upload that photo. We know that it's in photos, so I'm going to upload it into document organization here. So I'm going to do that by going into document organization. I'm going to select on these 3 points, and then I'm just going to upload a file just like we did before. And I'm going to select on photos. Once I select on photos, I'm just going to go to camera roll. And again, if I go all the way down, you'll see I have the previous photos, and this is the last photo right here. And I'm just going to upload that. So if I select on that, you'll see that I can see your folder structure. I'll be able to see that you changed your name. Okay, and we want to change the name of this photo, and let's just call it organization. All right, so I've changed that name, and now, of course, you know that I don't want you to share this link with me. You know, it's just a folder. I mean, it's just a picture. I want you to go back, and I want you to share the folder with me. Just the document organization folder. So we're going to say send link, and then, of course, we're going to copy link. It's going to generate a link for us. We're going to go back to our STEM Physics term assignment submission link, and you'll see we had our directions here. We uploaded a snapshot, and we are going to add this submission. So you'll see the online text box come up again, and I'm going to select, I'm going to go into this text box. I'm going to select return several times and then type an assignment again. Double click on assignment. I'm saying I'm double clicking, but it's just my finger. I'm double tapping. And then I'm going to select our hyperlink button again. And I just want to drop my keyboard. So I want to select inside of this text field, this is text field, a text input box. I'm going to select once, and I'm just going to do that one more time, and now paste. So you'll see that URL is generated, and I'm going to go ahead and say open in new window, select on this, and then create link. So now I have a hyperlink in here again, and we're just going to say save changes. Once this is done, an email will come to me. I will grade your assignment, and once I grade your assignment, the next assignment will open. Okay? That's it for this particular video.